Hello, we are the class of the COMP 90054 AI Planning, and today we are going to introduce our agenda that we talk about the challenge from the design process to the strategy, and finally we will talk about our possible improvement. As for the challenge, there are 4 points as we shown in there. That is the 1 second calculation time, and the agent should be used in all maps. Additionally, the training time limit and not fully observed all becomes a problem. We will talk this from the defense agent to offense agent, and there is our 3 of our decision trees. The decision tree for the offensive agent can be listed as follows. Firstly, when we see the ghost that are close enough to the ghost, so we just run away or eat the capsule. And secondly, when there is no safe food, we just eating the capsule. Thirdly, when the ghost is scared, we eat the food nearby, and so on. Here is the 6th point of our decision tree. As for the future defined, in the heuristic start search algorithm, we defined the energy my free time, that is to get the free time and the location of the last eaten food, and as well as the distance to the ghost and the distance to home. As for the reinforcement method, we defined the is home stay and the get capsule value, get most likely ghost position, and the get legal action modifier, the for action. Then talk to you about the heuristic start search algorithm. As for this algorithm, we defined the problem of the search food problem and the escape problem, as well as the search capsule problem and the search dangerous food problem. Lastly, the back home problem. There is our pitfall. The pitfall 1 can be concluded as the Pacman could not find the other way and still get stuck in the same place. And the second pitfall for the heuristic is could not distinguish between dangerous and healthy food. Then let's talk about some of our benefits. Benefit 1, aggressive invading. Benefit 2, eating capsule to resolve the crisis. Then we talk about our reinforcement learning. Then we're going to talk about the reverse shaping in the reinforcement learning. As for the ghost, we rely on the self if it's scared. As for the Pacman, we give a positive reward when it can get close to the boundary, and when it eats the capsule when ghosts get nearby or eating food. As for the reinforcement, there are some parameters that we choose. As far as we know right now, it's the best parameter in our experiment. Here is some pitfall in our reinforcement learning. The first pitfall can be concluded as the top agent. Just read Pacman cannot go to the top, lead to stop. The second pitfall in the reinforcement learning can be concluded as excessive defense lead to the deadlock, which we can see here. The 3 Pacman just stand here and without doing anything. Okay, let's talk about the benefit of reinforcement learning. As one of the most important points, the reinforcement learning has a benefit of good at defense, as we can see from the video. As for the possible improvement in this assignment, for a start, we can increase the decision detail optimization and do the tie and the stock detail optimization, then increase the upper and lower split like the reinforcement learning. As for the reinforcement learning, we can further analyze the replay to adjust the parameter and add new parameter and to solve the infinite loop. As for the overall improvement, here we list 3 of the possible improvements, and we are the team, the rookies. Thank you for your listening.